The objective of this load postal pallet job is to load material for the pallet into the thermoforming machine. The equipment used includes a thermoform machine, roller load tables, an adjustable height table, a platform to hide wires, fans. The materials used include polyethylene sheets, 2 different types of material. The personal protective equipment included hearing protection, safety glasses, safety shoes, a heat stress management plan. The work environment is an inside work environment with heat, which is rarely used because the machines keep the building warm. In the summer, temperatures can rise to 110 degrees Fahrenheit at certain machines. The worker observed was 5 feet 3 inches tall. The work methods for this job include: get 3 sheets of polyethylene material 1. Position the sheets on the roller load area. Position each individual sheet in the thermoform machine, 3 sheets. Activate the machine. Get 3 sheets of polyethylene material 2. Position each individual sheet in the thermoform machine, 3 sheets. Activate the machine. There were several ergonomic risk factors observed for the load postal pallet position. Repeated and sustained exertions were rated as a medium pace. Hands were in steady motion and exertion to load material into the thermoform machine and activate the machine. Work is machine-paced, with pauses when walking between different load points and waiting for the machine to cycle. Sustained exertions were observed and included continuous standing, arm extended behind the torso to activate the thermoform machine. Forceful exertions were required to get, move, and position material. A pinch grip is used. Awkward postures were observed and include extended and elevated arms, forearm pronation, and pinch grip to get the material from the stack. Extended arms, forearm pronation, and pinch grip to move and position the material. Extended arms, forearm pronation, and torso flexion, or forward bending, to load the thermoform machine. Extended arm away from the torso and behind the torso to activate machine controls. The mechanical or localized contact stress observed included contact stress between the torso and the edges of the machine load positions when loading material, contact stress between the forearm and the edges of the machine when activating the machine controls. The recommendations for the load postal pallet job include: investigate using a long-handled tool to push material into the thermoform machine to decrease posture stress. Consider using a platform for the entire work area to eliminate the repeated step up and step down to decrease the possibility of slips, trips, and falls. Encourage workers to stand next to the machine activation controls to decrease localized contact stress. Consider positioning padding on the edge of the machine load points to decrease contact stress. Investigate tools, mechanization, and slide guide bars to transfer material from the pallet to the machine to decrease forceful exertions and awkward postures.